come out today. We're in the Great Forest, and that's in the Quantocks in Somerset. We thought we'd have a really good walk with the dog. I haven't made a video for some time. I was really ill in December. I had a virus, I then had tonsillitis, I then got just like the normal crappy horrible cold, and then was it Christmas Eve? Yeah, Christmas Eve I then got conjunctivitis. So and that actually didn't go till January 2nd, I think it was. So I haven't been able to do anything for a while, but I wanted to show you around here because I think it's quite lovely and a really nice family walk. And I'm looking all nice and countrified with I've got my Jules scarf on, which has actually got pheasants and foxes, and then I've got my Laura Ashley tweed jacket on, which goes quite well with this, and my leather gloves to keep you warm, which has fallen in the mud. It's okay, carry on.
No, don't do that because I'm gonna fall. Jesus Christ.
You could have been.
You can come closer.
You're going to edit this anyway, aren't you?
Yeah. Is it on?
Yeah.
So I thought I'd show you what it's like here. It's quite lovely. Very, very green, as you can imagine. So I'm just going to sort of show you some images for you to see what Somerset has to offer. So there's quite a lot of picnic tables here actually. In the summertime, people come here and they do barbecues. There's quite a lot of them. So I'm just going to show you some of the beautiful scenery and the natural sounds. If you do decide to visit here, I'll link the address below. There are parking meters also on site, so come prepared with some change. Next we went on top of the Quantock Hills. Got it?
Yeah, but you probably want to be more like that way.
I can't, because I just can't.
Okay.
So we just stood on top of the Quantock Hills at the moment. It's really quite foggy. I don't know if you can see that in the background, but you've got Hinkley Point down there. That's with all the lights. Hopefully my sister Jasmine who's doing that. Can you get that, Jazz?
Yeah, what?
It's so cold as well. Yeah or not?
This might need
like,
a little.
Huh?
Right, I'm going back a bit so they can get you a little bit with the lights. Might need a little bit of editing.
Ooh. Yeah, have you got anything or not?
Yeah, I've got a background. I haven't got the lights though. The lights are very, very faint.
So have you got like any of the fields?
Yes.
That's why we came up here really.
Quickly talk.
So do it again?
Yeah, I have some.
So we're on for the Quantock Hills. Very, very cold. And lots and lots of police. I fell.